Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are diving into the world of smartphone photography to uncover the top 5 phone cameras that will elevate your photography game to all new heights. Whether you are a seasoned pro or just starting out, these devices offer incredible features to help you capture every moment with clarity and precision. The first phone on our list is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Apple continues to impress with the iPhone 15 Pro Max's advanced camera system, featuring a triple lens setup with improved low light performance and enhanced computational photography capabilities with Dolby Vision HDR video recording and ProRAW support. This device is a powerhouse for both video and photo enthusiasts. The second phone on our list is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Samsung's flagship phone boasts a sophisticated quad camera setup, including a high-resolution primary sensor, a ultra-wide lens, a telephoto lens, and a depth sensor, with 8K video recording, 100 times zoom capabilities, and AI-driven photography features. The S23 Ultra offers versatility and quality in every shot. The third phone on our list is the Google Pixel 7 Pro. Renowned for its computational photography powers, the Google Pixel 7 Pro delivers stunning images with its advanced AI algorithms, with features like night sight, astrophotography mode, and super res zoom. This device excels in low light conditions and produces sharp, detailed photos. The fourth phone on our list is the OnePlus 12 Pro. The OnePlus continues to impress photographers with the OnePlus 12 Pro's hazel-bladed tuned quad camera setup, featuring a large primary sensor, a ultra-wide lens, a telephoto lens, and a monochrome sensor. This device captures vibrant colors and intricate details with ease. Last but not least, we have the Xiaomi Mi 12 Ultra. The Xiaomi's flagship device boasts an impressive camera system with a primary sensor capable of capturing detailed 200 megapixel photos, with features like 8K recording, stereoscope zoom lens, and AI-driven photography modes. The Mi 12 Ultra offers a versatile and powerful photography tool. So there you have it folks, these are the top 5 camera phones for 2024. Well, I hope you enjoy and watch till the end. And don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that bell button to get notified on my upcoming tech reviews and learning videos. So see you next time and bye.